So hello everyone, and today welcome to the part second, and I will be telling important topics to revise in the last minute for forensic medicine now. So the IPCs is the most important thing. You need to revise. The multiple revisions are needed to remember these IPCs. So they are very important. So revise well. Toxicology, what you need to study in this, what you need to revise in the last minute. Intoxication symptoms, withdrawal symptoms, smell, common name, and antidotes. These are the main things you need to study in toxicology. Now most important, now alcohol, cannabis. Cocaine, LSD, arsenic, or organophosphates, and cyanide, lead, dhatura, mercury, and barbiturate. These are the main and very important, most of the important things you need to revise in toxicology. Now, other than that, postmortem changes and rigor mortis. This is very important to be revised. So, moving on, you have to revise the most important injuries, ballistic injuries. This is very important and most commonly asked. So, you need to revise them. Identification, age and sex determination, ossification centers, dental aging, and fingerprints. You need to revise. These are very important. Dactylography and all the things. This is very important. Now, legal aspects of medicine, say negligence and courts and civil and criminal courts. You need to study them well also. Blood stain and semen test. These are very important nowadays, so you have to study them also. Then autopsy techniques. These are some of the points you need to revise before giving the exam for forensic medicine. Now moving on to pharmacology. So general pharmacology, you need to revise the clinical trials, graph of enzyme inducers and versus the inhibitors, potency versus efficacy. These graphs are very much asked nowadays, so you need to revise them thoroughly. Now bioavailability of the drugs and numericals on volume distribution and T-half. This is also very important, so you need to revise these also. Now in ANS, beta blockers are the more important to be getting revised, and cholinergics and anticholinergics and drugs in glaucoma. These are the main things to be revised in pharmacology in the ANS things. Now antimicrobials. So in general, you need to revise penicillin, fluoroquinolones, and aminoglycosides. These are very important. Anti-pseudomonal agents, anti-malarials, anti-TB, anti-leprosy, ART, and antifungals. These all are very important and very important. You need to revise almost thrice, 3 times. Now enter anti-cancer agents, so you need to revise them, the classification, the specific toxicities, and the monoclonal antibodies for specific things. So you need to revise these things in anti-cancer agents. Now CVS, anti-anginal, anti-arrhythmic, anti-hypertensive, and statins. These are the 4 things you need to revise before giving the exam. Now, in hematology, what you need to revise, that low molecular weight heparin, warfarin, antiplatelets. These are the things you need to revise. Now, neurology, anti-Parkinsonism drugs, antipsychotics, antidepressants, lithium, opioids, anti-epileptics. These are the things that are needed to be revised. Endocrines, so oral hypoglycemics and steroids are needed to be revised. And NGIT, PPIs are most important, very important, most important to get revised. Now, respiratory, you need to revise the asthma drugs, these are very have chances to be asked nowadays. So asthma drugs, and now enzyme inducers, inhibitors list, the list of enzyme inducers and inhibitors, you need to revise it. And drugs contraindicated in pregnancy and renal failure, this have been shortlisted by me, and this is very important, you need to revise this. Now for ophthalmology, what you need to revise, in retina, diabetic retinopathy and the stages, images, and management. In retinal detachment, ROP staging, and retinitis pigmentosa. These are the things you need to revise. In conjunctiva and cornea, and trachoma images, the clinical features, the elimination strategy, you need to revise this. And conjunctivitis, the different etiologies and the management. And the corneal ulcer, the viral, fungal, and acanthoamoebic. The images also you need to revise. For this, they ask images in ophthalmology, what are the findings and all the things. Now neuro-ophthalmology, you need to revise the optic pathway and lesions. Horner syndrome is very important nowadays. Optic neuritis, papilloedema, cranial nerve palsies. These are the things you need to revise. And procedure and surgeries, see enucleation, extension, evisceration. Indications for all these surgeries: keratoplasty, darkroom procedures, tonometry, and direct indirect ophthalmoscopy, EOG, visual field effects, and macular function test. These are the things you need to revise in last minute revision for in ophthalmology. And glaucoma, the types of glaucoma, management of glaucoma, with you have to correlate the management with pharmacology. Now tumors, retinoblastoma, you need to study the images and stages and management. And the melanoma, you need to study. Now myopia, hypermetropia, and cataract is the most important causes and the management. You need to revise it thoroughly. The cataract is very important. Now ENT, What you need to study in this? So in ear, hearing test, audiometry, hearing loss, anatomy of the middle ear, Meniere's disease, otosclerosis, malignant otitis externa. These are the things you need to study in ear. And CSOM, the types and complications. ASOM also is very important. Acoustic neuroma, glomus tumor. These are the things you need to study in ear and revise before the exam. Nose and pharynx. The anatomy with the blood supply is very important. Epistaxis, nasopharyngeal carcinoma, and tonsillectomy, the methods and the indications for this, and FESS, polyps, ethmoidal polyp and antroconal polyp, CSF, rhinorrhea. This is very important to be get revised before the exam. Now throat. So you need to study that, revise the vocal cord palsy, laryngeal carcinoma, stages with management, and tracheostomy procedure, the indications. Lasers in ENT is very important, and radiology in ENT. Now Townie's view, Law's view, Waters view, and Caldwell's view. These are the very important things to be getting revised before the exam. So last minute revision topics for all these subjects, and the other subjects, you stay tuned. I will be posting them soon. So thank you.